For how to fix contact search not working problem on Android phone. In this video, I show you how to fix contact search not working. For solving this problem, go to settings, scroll down, then go to apps. Now search for contact app. Tap on contacts. Scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete, tap on force stop, tap on OK. Now tap on permission. Allow all permission one by one. Now restart your phone. To restart your phone, now open contacts app. Now search. Now I hope that this method fix contact search not working problem.